This is the perfect solution to keep your drinks hot or cold whenever you're hosting gatherings. And I want to say thank you to Cresimo for sending me this thermal to give it a try, see how well it works, and to give you an honest review. So I boiled some water earlier, hours ago, put it in here. It's just been sitting there, and we're going to give it a try to see if that water is still hot. So I have a nice stainless steel double wall design to help keep your drink insulated. We have a nice little carrying handle here. There's also a non-slip ring down at the bottom, so that way it doesn't slip off easily. I love that as well, so we're going to give it a try. All you have to do is flip this up, and then we'll pump the water. And I hope the camera's catching this so you can literally see the steam coming out because the water's still nice and hot. It has been in here for hours, and it's still very hot. The cup's already very warm just to show how warm the water is. It kept it very, very insulated. I love that. This is very good quality. It's perfect for hosting family events, potlucks, school events, whatever that might be. So you can easily open up the lid. You have your pump inside of here, and then we have our hot water in there right now. So it's super easy to clean. You'll just take that out, take it apart, wash it out. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this thermal dispenser. It's good for both hot and cold drinks. I think it's really great quality. It kept the water very hot. I don't know that it even really lost any temperature. So I love that. I think it's great quality, and I highly, highly recommend it.